Ladies and gentlemen, His Excellency, President of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to announce that the swearing-in ceremony for Honorable Mr. Justice Kulatunga Mudiyanselage Gihan Himanshu Kulatunga as Puisne Judge of the High Court shall now begin. Your Excellency, I now have the honor to invite Honorable Mr. Justice Kulatunga Mudiyanselage Gihan Himanshu Kulatunga to take the affirmation of allegiance and the affirmation for due execution of judicial office.
I, Kulatunga Mudiyanselage Gihan Himanshu Kulatunga, do solemnly, sincerely and truly declare that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji according to law, and I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji. I, Kulatunga Mudiyanselage Gihan Himanshu Kulatunga, do solemnly and sincerely and truly declare and affirm that as a judicial officer within the courts of Fiji, I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Fiji, and that I will obey, observe, uphold and maintain the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and all other laws of Fiji. And I solemnly and sincerely promise that I will defend the rule of law and the rights of the people, and will do justice to all persons without fear, favor or prejudice in accordance with the Constitution of the Republic of Fiji and the law.